You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Italian. Yes, it comes from Italy originally, and it means well done. It also means in Italian, it also means somebody, a male, a boy who is smart. The Italian pronunciation is as bravo, bravo, meaning well done. Also, yeah, that's pretty good. Bravo. In English, it's generally pronounced bravo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.